The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Collin County in north central Texas, Grayson County in north central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Plano, moving north at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Emergency management reported a funnel cloud over Plano at 4:13 p.m. Source: emergency management. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Plano, Allen, McKinney, Fairview, Prosper, Salina, Anna, Gunner, Sherman, Knollwood, Denison, and Pottsboro. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This thunderstorm is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.